Hi, my name is Archie and I'm here. Titan just finished installing my solar. They did a fabulous job. The guys are so good, so professional. The installation went so smooth and they did it in a few hours. I was really surprised.
Well, we're up here because we're having solar installed at our house. It's a pretty exciting day for us. See the guys behind me here are putting the panels on. We're excited to switch over to the new way of doing energy.
I'm pretty excited about it. The next thing I'll be excited is when I see my first bill. It's a win-win for everyone. It's a win for me, it's a win for the utility, it's also a win for the environment. You know, it's clean and green. One of the things I like from the beginning when I signed up is that they do everything from A to Z. I did nothing other than sign it, get finance, and just sit back and wait for my installation and become energy independent.
We decided to go solar. We've been talking about that for a long time. After 5 or 6 years, it'll pay for itself and then we'll be kind of energy independent. And that's, again, why we're excited about today.
When the Titan Solar consultant came by, first of all, he was on time. He was very polite, very, very kind. And when we sat down, he made me feel very comfortable. I was happy that there was somebody there to help me and assist me and kind of walk me through the process and make the right decision. And teaming up with Titan I think was a great deal for me. It's terrific. I'm very happy.